Okay, so why does this camera not like focusing in the light? So we just woke up from our second night here in Iceland. The pretty cool little Airbnb. There's like maybe 8 little cabins at this place, but we stayed up not very late. Probably Sam fell asleep like 8 or 9. I stayed awake till like 10:30, trying to see northern lights. Did not see him. It's too cloudy. It's been too cloudy the whole time. But now looking at this sick sunrise we've got going on here, it kind of looks like a sunset, honestly, with the colors, but this is our view from our little patio area. Honestly, though, it's a pretty sick little place to enjoy like a little morning coffee. It's still snow on the mountains here. Ah, fuck, that's hot. Oh, shit. I didn't even realize this. There's a few snow-covered mountains behind us here. But that's basically what our cabin looks like. They're all identical. Such a crispy sunrise. That's so crazy. So today's one of our shortest days of driving. We don't really have a lot planned, but we've seen a lot of different places online, like places you should check out and whatnot. And for some reason, this isn't on the list. This is cooler than half the places we've been. This sick waterfall. Nobody here. It is tight. It's pretty sketchy though. I went and stood on the edge for a little bit, dangled my feet over. I don't know if that was a good idea, but I did it anyways. It was sick. Just stopped to pull over and take a couple pictures of this like valley in between. It looks like a glacier area, but we're about to, you probably can't see it, somewhere over here. We're about to go through an entire mountain. So you can see this right here. I said that's a whole ass mountain, like a real one, not a hill, not a mound, but a mountain. And we're about to drive through it. I mean, I know it's not the only place in the world where you drive through mountains, but that's just wild to me. But been on the road for a couple hours now. Still haven't found anywhere to eat. For breakfast, all we had was toast, nothing on it. We tried the jelly, not so good, but on to the next destination. Peace. What do you see?
I see you. I saw you coming. This is a long ass underground tunnel.
All right. Focus. Out of focus, I think. Maybe not. I think it's just as good as some on the lens. Anyways, I don't know where we're at. There's another town you can't say.
Seyðisfjörður. I don't know.
Sounds about right. There's like this church right here that looks pretty cool. And then there's this gay pride walkway here. Whoa. They're pretty cool. I mean, it makes for cool pictures until, I don't know, this priest or whatever showed up and he parked his car in front. So it kind of ruined our photo session we had going on here. But we got a couple photos.
I think it's cute. I like it.
A lot to say from Samantha. So we forgot to film a few things. We're kind of running short on daylight. It got pretty dark. Each day we're here, it gets dark like 20 minutes earlier than it did the day before. And today we kind of forgot that. We went to a few different places that were We didn't really have time to, like I said, film. But this is our newest Airbnb. This is the one that we thought was going to be like the most secluded. We thought that we were going to kind of be out in the middle of nowhere.
This was our most expensive one too, I believe, because it's our anniversary today.
Oh yeah. So today is our 1-year marriage anniversary. This is supposed to be our honeymoon, but we're taking it exactly a year late. But this is the place, really, not all that special. Pictures make it look a little bit cooler than it is. I mean, it doesn't really matter.
It is dark outside too, so maybe, but I mean, it's not secluded.
Yeah, it looked like it was going to be secluded from all the pictures, but we can literally open our door and kind of look at a small town, which there's only like 11 towns in the country of Iceland, and we happen to be staying right outside of one, which isn't the end of the world, but if there is a possibility of seeing northern lights, it will be a little difficult staying here, but I think this was like
I want to say 260.
$260 for the night. And it's about the same size, maybe, as the first one. They've just separated it into 2 separate rooms. But it is what it is. No big deal. The cool thing is, though, we haven't had good luck with food. We have had some pretty nasty sandwiches. One was called, like...
What is it? Pepperoni taco?
Pepperoni taco pizza. And then the other one was, do you remember?
No, it's just supposed to be like a chicken and bacon one, but there was some sauce on there. I don't know.
We don't really fuck with their
We
sauces.
had a good chicken and bacon wrap.
That was okay.
Wrap's okay. No more sandwiches.
Oh yeah, and like a cup of noodles, had one of those, opened it, made me want to throw up. So then we had a different kind, it was just like pasta and tomato sauce. So we're like, okay, we'll give this a shot. I made that. Absolutely disgusting. So today, we went to the gas station, we got some pasta. So we have some pasta and pasta sauce. So we're going to hopefully have something that's edible today. At that same gas station though, there was, it's called like 66 or something like that. But it was like an actual like little diner restaurant.
Grill 66, yeah.
Grill 66. I'm not even going to tell you what I had. Sam had a hot dog.
Tell my dad.
I had, it's called a Chicago. It looked like it was a double cheeseburger, but I have no idea what was on it. It also had some weird sauce, but at least it was edible. This morning we were starving. All we had was toast. I probably had 4 pieces. It was just toasted bread, nothing else. Mm-hmm. So hopefully tonight we have a fancy dinner for our anniversary. Italian food. But I don't know if I'll film anything else tonight unless we happen to see northern lights. What's the odds of that happening? Don't look good since it has been cloudy AF since we got here, and it's rained a shitload every single day for at least, I don't know, 19 of the 24 hours, I feel like. Maybe not quite that much, close.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll catch you later. Peace.